The Planet Fitness Preacher Curl Bench is used with a barbell to help build your biceps. The bench consists of a seat with an adjustable height, as well as an angled pad to support your arms, keeping them locked in place, as well as a lower bar that holds the barbell when you're not curling. The angle of the pad isolates your biceps by limiting shoulder movement. Ideally, you want to use an easy barbell since the angled grips reduce the stress on your wrists, especially during the curling motion. To use the machine, first select the easy barbell you want to use and place it on the lower bar rest. Then use the seat adjustment so that you can sit down and rest your upper arms fully against the angled pad. Your armpits should be able to fit snugly against the top of the pad for stability. Once the adjustment is set, lean slightly over the pad, using your legs and torso for stability as you grab the easy barbell from the bar, and lower the barbell down slowly, extending your arms fully. Inhale, then exhale as you lift the bar in a smooth, controlled motion, squeezing your biceps at the top. Inhale, and lower the barbell down slowly, extending your arms fully. Beginners can perform 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets with 60 seconds of rest in between. To progress, gradually increase the weight and adjust the counts as needed. There are other Planet Fitness machines that they recently added, which you can learn more about in the video on the right. Thanks for watching.